feel fortunate to have been part of this transition process. Like overall, the shift has significantly improved the learning experience.
We hope
And I truly appreciate the team's effort in implementing these thoughtful and student-friendly changes. Yeah.
that's really good to hear.
Thank you so much for being patient and understanding. Like, I
That's
also want to express my gratitude to Samiksha. Like, she has been always been kind and considerate and incredibly supportive of me. Like, no matter whatever the situation is.
Well, that's good to hear. See, the prime motto of this is for you to be, comfortable enough to learn. Because at the end of the day,
Yeah.
if you have certain other issues going on, you're not, you're compromising your health, not being able to give enough time, then the learning gets compromised. So, what is the point of it at all in the first place? Might as well take a good, healthy break and then come back full fledged, and whatever you've missed be anyway the access will be provided to you because that arrangement has
Yeah.
already been there.
Of course, the thing which matter to me the most is that if I have doubts, if I have questions, are they clearing or not? And yes, they both, like both the trainers cleared every time. Like my silly questions also, they cleared it. Yeah.
Okay, well, that's good to know. And with Deep, sir, the approach is going to be more practical based because right now
Yeah.
you're in that point of your membership where you should be done with theory and you should be moving on to more actually hands on tools, experience, and the Gen AI part of the program, which will actually
Yeah.
take a little bit more time compared to the theory part, right? Because
Yeah.
tomorrow, once you're job ready, when you go into the market, more often than not, the first round of interview is always going to be a technical assessment round. So you should
Yeah.
be, knowledgeable enough, equipped enough to solve those. Only then it goes to the second round of interview, which is a HR round, like you and I speaking.